Hey guys, how are we doing today? Mike here with Blueface Plus. Thanks for tuning in. Tonight I just got a few packages in the mail. Wanted to go ahead and just open them up, show you guys kind of what I got here. I'm pretty sure this is all MetaZoo stuff. I don't know if you guys heard of MetaZoo, but it's something you might want to check out. It's like the next thing, I guess. I got into it just, watching some stuff online. I'm pretty big into collecting Pokemon, so I wanted to try something a little different. I like the artwork on some of the cards. They still got a lot of first edition stuff out there that's pretty easy to get. So right here is this one I was actually trying to find a good price on. It was still a little pricey for one of these boxes, but basically here's a MetaZoo. This is the Hello Kitty booster box. I don't think these are first editions, but they seem to be pretty collectible. So that's something I wanted to get for my collection as far as MetaZoo goes. In one of my short videos, I actually have a booster box. I'm not sure which one it was I got, but it's in there. And then, what is this? I don't even know if I can show that. Comics. It says BA Comics, you are my hero. Okay. That must be their, the place I got it from. But anywho, this is, I'm not even sure what this is. Really nice packaging. Oh, I think I know what this is. This is going to be one of the MetaZoo decks. Oh, they did a really nice job with this. So here you go. Yeah, alright. This looks like a pre-release. This I think is like a deck box. It's a release event box, MetaZoo, which I really like this deck here, so I thought I'd go ahead and pick this one up. But yeah, so just something else I wanted to pick up for the collection. Pretty cool. This is the Wilderness first edition. So first edition box. What else we got for you? And then I think I went ahead and I picked up a few cards just in the set. Like some of them there had some pretty rare cards. I was looking up some pricing on some stuff. I like this card here. This is actually from the UFO set, which I believe I got a box coming for that. I don't think the box showed up today, but it's a pretty cool. I don't know. I kind of like it. I always liked the movie Men in Black, and that's what I noticed. I'm into sci-fi and stuff like that, and I noticed the MetaZoo cards. They have a lot of that stuff, which I thought was, hey man, this is pretty cool. Like I like Pokemon and all, but like this, like they got El Chupacabra and some other cards. Let's see what we got here. All right, so this is, looks like we got two cards, but this is what I'll show you what I'm talking about here. Like some of the artwork on some of these cards. Like look at that. That is sweet. I couldn't resist. And it's already in like a cellophane already case. It's Ucatena, which is calling Victory Strike, 10 damage. So I'm definitely interested in checking out the game and MetaZoo and maybe learning it. I can play Pokemon. I just more into the collecting of Pokemon and playing the Game Boy games and stuff like that. This guy here, I thought he was pretty cool. Agua, but look at that. It's gonna just let it focus in, but see what I'm saying? Ain't that pretty dope? That's pretty darn sweet. So that was a card I really liked too. He's a twin-headed looking dinosaur turtle thing. So don't look like Blastoise, but man, I tell you, I think Blastoise don't have two heads, spikes, but pretty cool looking card. And then this one should actually be one of the more rare cards. Share it with you guys. Looks like they sent this in an actual slab, which they did. So here we go, boys and girls. Mothman. Yeah. I don't know if you guys ever seen the movie Mothman, but a heck of a cool movie. That movie still gives me nightmares. So this card here is a really hard to get. I watched a guy literally open, I want to say, 12 booster boxes, and he only pulls one of these. That was a lot of packs, 4 hours of ripping. I was like, man, Mothman, yo, I got to get me one of those. So, which is really nice. Still in the hard case. As far as whitening goes, I don't really see any. He's a beastie. One Mothman, 1 per spell book. Looks like he has a winged attack of 100. This is a 2nd edition Mothman. So I think the 1st edition is probably a bit more valuable. I'm not sure. But I did get a 1st edition box, which I may try to open, trying to get one. But just thought I would share with you guys this MetaZoo. Pretty cool stuff. I don't know if you guys want to look into it. Yeah, sorry about the Mew mat here, but you know, I don't have a MetaZoo mat, so I may have to get one. But just wanted to share that with you guys. Some pretty cool creature cards. You know, if you guys have any comments below, leave it below. If there's some pretty cool cards that you like, share with them, so I can take a look at them and see if it's something, you know, I like. But as far as these cards, I'm gonna go ahead and start collecting them as well. So I'll stay tuned with you guys. If I go ahead and rip any packs or boxes, I'll be sure to let you guys know. So be sure to like and subscribe. Appreciate y'all. Take care. God bless.